In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check all unread emails in Outlook. If your inbox feels crowded and you want a quick way to see only the messages you haven't opened yet, Outlook makes this very simple. Using the unread filter can help you focus on the emails that still need your attention without getting distracted by messages you've already reviewed. To begin, open Outlook on your device and wait for the app to fully load. Once you're in Side Outlook, look for the Mail section and click it. This will take you to the area where all of your email folders and messages are displayed. If Outlook opens directly into Mail, that's perfectly fine. You can simply continue from there. Next, click on Inbox. This is important because the filter will be most useful when you're viewing the folder where your incoming emails are stored. After you open the inbox, you'll be able to see your full list of messages, including both read and unread emails. Now, look for the filter option near the top of the message list. Click Filter, and from the available choices, select Unread. As soon as you do that, Outlook will update the view and display only the emails that are currently unread. This makes it much easier to identify the messages you still need to open, read, or respond to. This feature is especially helpful if you receive a lot of emails throughout the day. Instead of manually scanning through everything in your inbox, the unread filter narrows the list down for you instantly. It can save time and help you stay organized, especially when you're trying to catch up quickly. If you ever want to return to your normal inbox view, you can go back to the same filter menu and switch back to showing all messages. That way, you can move between a focused unread view and your complete inbox whenever you need. And that's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Mail, click Inbox, choose the filter option, and select Unread to see only the emails you haven't read yet. It's a simple tool, but it can make managing your inbox much more efficient.